In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is open Themes and click on the best one for you after looking for it in all available sections. You can tap on Themes at the top of Home category and pick one of those or choose one of those options. You can select categories and pick one of those right away, or tap on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. Either way, when you're ready, click on a perfect theme, select download, and hit apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by going into Devices Settings, scrolling down to Access Themes over here, and tap on My Account, getting into the same app a different way. Select Themes, tap on one of your default ones and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!